যারা ক্লাস 4-5-এ পড়ছো তাদের জন্য একটি শর্ট এসে বা কম্পোজিশন, দ্য ক্যাট। ইন্ট্রোডাকশন: দ্য ক্যাট ইজ আ বিউটিফুল পেট অ্যানিমাল. It looks like a small tiger. Description: the cat is a four-footed animal. Its tail is long. The cat has two little bright eyes. It can see in the dark. It has sharp teeth and claws. The cat has soft pad under its legs, so it can walk without making any sound. Its body is covered with fur. Food habit: the cat eats meat, milk, rice, bread, fish, etc. It is very fond of milk. Nature: the cat is gentle in nature. It is very neat and clean. It likes to live in warm places. It sleeps most of the time. Usefulness: the cat is very dear to children. They like to play with it. It kills mice and harmful insects. Conclusion: the cat is a good companion. We should be kind to it. পুরো কম্পোজিশনটি আমরা কয়েকবার পড়ব, পড়ে না দেখে লিখব। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।